In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit quick parts in Outlook. Quick parts are reusable blocks of text or formatting that you can drop into an email with just a couple of clicks, perfect for signatures, standard replies, or frequently used paragraphs. Editing an existing quick part is straightforward once you know where to look. Start by opening Outlook. From there, create a new message by selecting New Email. This gives you a blank canvas where you can work with your quick parts. Click once inside the message body so Outlook knows where to insert content. Now head to the Insert tab at the top of the window. In this tab you'll find the Quick Parts button. Click it to open your gallery of saved snippets. Choose the quick part you want to change and Outlook will insert it directly into your email message. At this point, make your edits right in the message body. You can change wording, update links, tweak formatting, or even add images. Whatever needs to be updated to reflect your latest content. When your edits look exactly the way you want, select the entire updated block. Be sure to highlight only the quick part content you intend to save, not the whole message. Drag across the text with your mouse or use Shift with the arrow keys for precise selection. Getting this selection right is important because Outlook will save exactly what you highlight. With the updated content selected, go back to the Insert tab one more time. Click Quick Parts again, and then choose Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. This opens a small window where you confirm the details. You'll see fields like Name, Gallery, Category, and Description. If you want to replace the original quick part, use the exact same name as before. Outlook will update it with your new version. If you prefer to keep the old one and add a new variation, give it a different name or put it in a different category. The options field controls how it inserts, such as in its own paragraph. Use whatever matches how you typically use it. When everything looks correct, click OK to save. Your edited quick part is now ready to use. The next time you're composing an email, you can insert the updated version from Insert Quick Parts, and it will drop in with all your changes. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook, insert the quick part you want to change, edit it in the message, select the updated content, save it back to the quick part gallery, and confirm with OK. This small routine keeps your reusable content accurate and saves time every day.